to create a line chart, you're going to have one variable that varies over different levels of another variable. And so what I have here is some data from the PEW forum, PEW forum, so down here, the Research Center. And it's looking at U.S. adults and their opinions about abortion. And what they did is they even split it right here in 2022 from before and after the Dobbs case. And so what I have is, oh gosh, I don't need it to be that large, please. I have, this is the proportion that or the percent that thinks it should be legal in all or most cases. And then here is the proportion that thinks it should be illegal in all or most cases. And so what we're going to do to create our line chart is highlight our data like this. And then our insert tab is already up here. We're going to go to this symbol. There we go. This symbol right here. Insert line or area chart. And I'm going to show you something. So if we just go to here and to 2D line like this, and we're like, okay, great, that's what we want. Oh, but wait, this is really weird looking. And so what it did is it actually treated each of these as a data column. So, here's our year. And then here's the illegal in most cases and legal in most cases. That's not what we wanted, right? We wanted our year to be our x-axis tick marks, and then we wanted to plot these values along that. So we're going to delete this one because that's not what we want. And we're going to try again. So we're going to come here again, 2D line, but we're going to go to more line charts. So we could actually say this is how we want our chart to look. So more line charts. And we can see that was this one right here. That was the default. That's what it just automatically chose for us. But this is what we actually want. So that has the years along the x-axis, 0 to 70 for us on the y, and those two different lines. So we're going to select this one. Okay. And we have, our chart here. And then, like always, we're going to get rid of these little obnoxious lines and give it a better title. So U.S. Opinion, OPIN, on abortion. And, that's mostly all that we would really need to do. If we wanted to, we could create some data labels. Maybe we would just selectively want some of, the data labels right here for the Dobbs, on either side of the Dobbs case. We could do that. We could have maybe the data labels at the end, but just like as before, if we wanted to do that, we would just come over here to data label, and it's showing us how it would look. We probably wouldn't want every single data label because that would get overwhelming. So that's how we would approach that. If we wanted to change the color of these lines, let's say we didn't like this kind of navy blue and orange color combination, we would come up here to format, and if we wanted what contrasts, well, maybe we want purple. Oh, come on now. Purple, there we go. Outline, shape outline. And let's see that we don't want navy blue, we want like a sky blue. There we go. Again, you want to make sure that it's accessible for all your users. And, those are the basic steps for a line chart.